Tuesday, October 30th, 2012. Hurricane Sandy went through last night. This is about 9 in the morning, the next morning after. As you can see, fall's pretty active. Just got a video from the top of the falls a few minutes ago. Not sure you can appreciate the sound on this mic, but it's loud. It was at its loudest probably at 3 or 4 in the morning, my guess is. Midnight when I went to bed, it was very loud, louder than probably twice as loud as this. But you can see a lot of volume of water, really rolling. Got good speed on it too. We'll probably bring the kayakers out downriver later on this week. Great volume. A lot of cars have been cruising by the falls. Everyone wants to see how bad it is. As you can see, good volume. Probably up about, if you look downstream, it's probably up 6 or 7, 8 feet maybe from yesterday evening before it really started building up. You can see good view of the castle this morning through the trees. Yep, very impressive. All right, that's it.